Welcome to Brain Vision.
The configuration of this problem is exactly the same as it was in the previous problem. So we have, again, a couple pipes or rods or shafts or whatever connected with a 90-degree elbow. And we're again asked to look at the internal forces and moments at a point 1 meter from the wall. The only thing different about this problem is the loading. So in this case, we have 100 out here. We have 100 newtons in the x direction, minus 200 newtons in the y, and minus 300 newtons in the z. Position vector is the same as before. At this point now, we have 100 newtons in the x direction and 500 newtons in the y direction. And again, this is 1 meter in the I direction from the cut vector. So we just do the same thing. We sum forces, sum moments about this point. We'll get 6 equations for the 3 unknowns here and 3 unknowns here. And cranking through that algebra, we get that FB, the internal force, is minus 200 newtons in the x direction, minus 300 newtons in the y direction, and 300 newtons in the z direction. And again, the x direction, this is the normal force acting to compress the beam or the pipe, and these are shear forces acting to bend it. The moment, we get 450 newton meters about the x-axis, minus 300 newton meters about the y-axis, and minus 150 newton meters about the z-axis. So again, this is a twisting moment. This is going to be used to twist this section, and these 2 moments are going to be used to bend it in 2 perpendicular directions.